and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an everyday brown smoky eye look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned for more glam. So to start off today's look, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to dab that onto my eyelids and then blend it out with a small beauty blender. And after that's blended, we're going to be using the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette with a small fluffy blending brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to put the color Koi all over the lid. And then once that's blended, I'm going to be using a slightly bigger blending brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going in with this shade from the 35F Morphe palette. This is like a deeper tan shade. I'm going to put this onto the crease of my lid. And I'm just shaping that crease and defining it. I love this shade because it's a great crease color. And this is perfect for your transition. And you're just going to blend back and forth. Then I'm going to go in with this shade from the Aphrodite palette. It's called Tease. It's a deeper version of the shade that we used from the 35F palette. I'm just going to deepen the crease color with that. And then after that, I'm going to go back in with Koi onto the lid. Then I'm blending these two colors together. They're brown shades from the 35F palette. And I'm putting this on the outermost corner of my crease. And then I'm using a flat top brush for that deeper brown, and I'm concentrating it on the outer corner. And this is just going to create a deepness to your crease, and I'm doing the same to the other eye. You're just going to lift that up and then use the blending brush to blend that out. Then clean up any fallout. Then I'm going in back with that crease color and just blending the color out. Blending is your friend. And then I'm using that deep brown and I'm bringing it into the crease so I can bring that shape of the crease even more defined. And you're just going to go back and forth, cleaning up as you go. And then I'm using that blending brush and just blending out that brown so it's not so harsh. And just do the same to the other eye as well. And bring more color in if needed. And just define that crease and clean up the edges. And blend. And now I'm using a flat top brush and spraying rose water. I'm using this champagne metallic shade from the 35F palette. I love this shade. It's amazing. The color is so pretty. And I'm just going to put this in the center of my lid towards where the crease, but not getting into the crease. And I'm going to do both eyes. Just blending that through. I love this color. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to blend it out with the same brush I used for the crease. And as you see, I lost some color there, so I'm just going to deposit more. And then just keep going in with that champagne shade, making sure it really pops on your lid. You just want to create that shape. And then I'm using another smaller flat brush and I'm going in with this beautiful lighter shade, similar to the first shade that we used on the lid. It's so pretty. And I'm going to put that into the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to blend that color through. Just cleaning up. And then now I'm going to put more of that champagne shade. This is going to make the eye look pop. And then just blending again. Then I'm going in with this shade from the Aphrodite palette. It's called Seduction. It's a deeper brown shade and this is going to create that smoky effect. And I'm just putting that on my waterline. Just blending that through. And then we're going to smoke it out. Yes! Oh my god, it's going to look so good. We're just smoking that out. And then now we're doing liner. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm just lining my eye and of course I'm going to wing it because I love wings, as you know. I'm just going to wing my eyeliner. You don't have to do a wing with this look, but I feel like it's so cute and I just love it. It gives it that extra glam effect. Do the same to the other eye. Make sure you're getting close to your lash line. It's gonna look so good. The next mascara, I'm using the Million Lashes by L'Oreal Paris. This lash is the only one that gives me volume. And you're just gonna apply it to both lashes. Now I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Booster Drops. I love this. It's super affordable and it gives that foundation that flawless finish. You're just gonna apply that all over your face. And then I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I love this foundation. It's really affordable. The coverage is awesome. And I'm just going to be blending that out with a foundation blending brush. I got this one off of Amazon. Really affordable as well. And I'm just going to be blending that all over, down the neck, on the forehead, blending it out. And then after that, I'm going to chisel these cheeks. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I love this. It's my all-time fave. And I'm just blending that with my e.l.f. blending brush. I'm putting that on my forehead and my cheeks, and everything is gonna look snatched. Just blending upwards. Blending it out. Yes. Keep blending. Don't forget to blend upwards. It's gonna make a miracle. And just keep blending. And then now we're gonna bake. I used the Mercier translucent powder, the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go downwards where I place that contour and also underneath my eyes. Just keep going, and also the chin and forehead. And then now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, my favorite part. We are going to glow to the gods. Yes, and then I'm just taking off that translucent powder, and then I'm using the shade Pink Heart, and I'm wetting it with rose spray, and I'm going to put that right above the contour on my cheekbones. Ooh, yes, look at that color. And then I'm going to put it on my nose and my cupid's bow and above my eyebrow. Now I'm going in with an Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Toast. It's this beautiful burnt brown. I love this color. I'm just lining my lips. This shade is perfect for this look. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. setting spray. Here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can like, comment, and subscribe down below.